Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel Duolingo subscription on iPhone. So we're going to start right away. First, go to settings. Then tap on the first option on the settings, your Apple ID. Then choose subscription option. Wait for it. As you can see on my iPhone, I just subscribed to Snapchat, so I will use this as an example. You have to do the same as you do with your Duolingo subscription. Tap on the Duolingo option. Now you can see that cancel free trial, or there will be another option that is cancel your subscription. Just tap on the red button. Or you can change your plans. You will tap on the see all plans, the blue button, to see all the different plans that you want to change. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe.